Mwanasikana ari kurutsa mai arutsa aita pregas misodzi pamatama kunge munhu afaita chegas chakapfukidza matenga kunge nightlife eva Vegas kuchengetedza mwana till akura ari ega. Father of the child say they couldn't be together. Akupinda Pentecostal achitsvaga kachiedza. Will she find the perfect man? She been trying achiedza, trying to make some clean money apa basa richinetsa. Sexual harassment in the corporate who feather had her mental health, so her attitude whatever puts the sadza on the plate, whatever is necessary for her son is day, that's the pressure. If only the father could see the child as a treasure, and sex was for love, not a trial for the pleasure. And DNA mu blood hauipedzuka igeza ndauya nemabars kunge city link munenja. Vamwana baba fight the mothers just to visit their kids. Other fathers are unbothered, it is what it is. Some will silence baby mamas cause they cheated their wives. Pay a lump sum on a month and keep it hidden for life. Some will question the paternity. Tinashim got bad vibes, got the dodgy mommies panicking. Television live where the outcomes are embarrassing. That's somebody's wife, so our moral code is vanishing and lacking in Christ. False prophets wrecking marriages. Are we really Christian or just acting out appearances? Satan wants to preach within the reach to break the family. Baba ne mwana komana vatove my enemies. World war pamba yabe hondo yepa Germany. Doro ne adrenaline. The pain that she saw is a common ghetto story. If she's beaten gato ziva, she may never get a story. Forgiveness is the answer if we're gonna get the glory. Still fathers should account for the gifting and the calling. Sometimes on both sides the way to win is saying sorry. Mavanga etinawo hapana chisingapori. The energy we give and hapana singakoi.